A brazen gun attack in the Mountain View area of St. Andrew marred Christmas Day celebrations in the area. 2 people from the Backbush area of Mountain View are now in hospital after being shot along Mountain View Avenue sometime after 2 this afternoon. The injuries sustained by the 2, a man and a woman, are not considered life-threatening at this time, but the shooting has heightened tension in the area. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
It's at this bus shed in the vicinity of Byron Road and Bygrave Avenue on Mountain View Avenue where a man and a woman were standing when they were attacked.
Well, what we know for certain is that shots were fired between warring factions from both Goodridge and Jakes Road, and 2 persons have been confirmed to be shot.
The woman was shot 3 times, the man only once. However, a source says over 30 spent shells were found on the scene. The source also says the men were firing high-powered weapons based on the shells found on the scene. This is how the police responded.
A number of different caliber rounds were found on the scene. We are yet to confirm the scene is now being processed by the scene of crime unit.
Residents in the area say the 2 who were shot are innocent bystanders from the Backbush area of Mountain View who have nothing to do with the feud between Goodridge Lane and Jakes Road. Persons from Goodridge Lane say the shooting has dampened their Christmas Day plans. They showed us food they were in the process of preparing to keep a treat for mainly the children and elderly. For the last few weeks, there have been some tension between Goodridge Lane and Jakes Road. Several persons have been shot and killed because of the ongoing feud.
The past couple of weeks we have seen some shootings which have resulted in 3 murders. It all has to do with the warring factions of Goodridge and Jakes Road. We are not very certain as to what the underlying issues are, but certainly these two sides have been at odds for quite some time now, but it has now escalated.
The police say they will be implementing some plans to curtail the violence in the area.
We have spoken with High Command. We are putting in place things to deal with what we expect. Hopefully nothing further happens, but certainly we will be getting help from JDF and the Mobile Reserve.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.